PhpStorm 2017.3 is here, the last release in 2017 for PhpStorm. Let's take a look at what's new and improved in this latest version. Did you know that PhpStorm has a fully integrated HTTP client? New in PhpStorm 2017.3, you can create HTTP requests from text documents using an industry standard definition. It includes everything you'd expect. You can set the method you want to use, add headers, and also cookies right from within this text file. As you'd expect, it also has full code parsing, highlighting, and completion. You can run the request right from within the editor and open any generated JSON output by using command click as usual. Once you've made multiple requests, you can compare various results using PhpStorm's built-in diff viewer. We can also make more complicated requests, like posting to an endpoint where the JSON we're posting is in an external file. This new format allows you to check HTTP requests into your version control, so they're easily repeatable by everyone working on your project. You can find more information about the new HTTP client on our blog at blog.jetbrains.com/phpstorm. PHP Language Support has been improved, including lots of performance improvements around the editor. Hopefully everybody will see some speed up in typing latency. PHP 7.1's nullability type hints are now supported across refactorings. We've added a new way you can use file templates. When you've created your own file templates and you create a new PHP class, you can now select to use that file template right within the class dropdown. This means that properties like the namespace are automatically filled in. You'll find some new inspections and quick fixes around exceptions. PhpStorm will now warn you if there are any unhandled exceptions thrown in your application. Sometimes this is expected if you want, for example, an exception to bubble up to your framework, but it's nice to see this. You can either add the throws annotation to the doc block to show that this method should throw this exception, or surround it in a try-catch block with the quick fix. If you refactor to remove the exception being thrown, then PhpStorm will warn you that you're using a try-catch where it's not needed, and you can remove it. You'll also be warned about and can remove unneeded @throws annotations in the doc block. We've made some changes around testing. When you use Navigate to Test and you want to create a new test, you'll see a new dialog for creating different types of tests. You can select which template to use, PHP Unit, PHP Spec, or Codeception, and you can also ask PhpStorm to generate tests for any methods that may already exist in the class. You can find these method code templates under Editor, File and Code Templates, Code. When you're working with PHP Unit and data providers, often only one or two of the elements of the array will fail. You can now only rerun the failed elements in the data provider by right-clicking on the row and selecting Run Test. If the data provider is missing, PhpStorm now has an inspection to tell you that, and a quick fix to create the data provider. The Twig templating engine is as popular as ever, and we've added some nice support in this release. Twig block sections now have language injections just like any other PHP script, so you can tell PhpStorm that, for example, this block is JavaScript, so you get the highlighting and completion that you need. Reformat code now handles Twig templates correctly too. You can find out more information at blog.jetbrains.com/phpstorm, and you can download a trial at jetbrains.com. Thanks for watching.